Hello everyone, Sam from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about crude oil. So let's get started. Let me show you the previous charts. This is the daily chart, and I made this on the 6th April. It's one of those harmonic pattern called BAT. It was completed here. You can see that point B is exactly at 50%, then it dropped to 23% line, and then went straight up to 88%. That's a bad pattern calculation. So I said, okay, will it drop? Sometimes these patterns don't work, right? So I was expecting that it's gonna work out, and it did. And what happened to this chart is this. All the way came down here. But now, what is the situation? You can see that clearly on a weekly chart. Let me show you the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart, right? So you can see that this TL, rising TL, and we are sitting just above that. And we just started this month and this week, and just now, Sunday. And we are sitting on these highs 76.36, just above that is 76.79, and just below is 76.06. So I have these charts on numbers on my smaller setup chart, and you can see 76.06, 76.38, and 76.79. And what I'm expecting is that it start to rise from here. So if it is going to start to go to the upside, I will be looking for entries here on this chart. And this is my entry chart, 20-minute chart. Right? So right now, see, this is a beautiful short entry. And how the long entry look like, let me show you. This is the long entry. And here again, it was dropping, but this beautiful long entry, long entry, long entry, long entry, right? Coming down is a beautiful short entry, short entry, short entry. So this is the system that gives you a lot of entries, and perfect entries, by the way, right? So this is how it is. On the oil is doing, like I said, the weekly chart is the key, and this is the number, is the key number, 76.38, 76.79. So let's see what happened. And again, OPEC meeting, and then they decided to cut down on the production. That will increase the demand, and the demand will increase, the price goes up, right? So that's what I'm expecting, that it will go up. And let's see if it start to go up. I'm ready to take entries from this chart. Okay. And by the way, my subscribers, if you are watching it and you wonder that what kind of brick size is that, then please email me. If you are my current subscriber, email me, and I will give you the 40-minute and the 20-minute brick size that I'm using. Very, very good brick size and perfect entries coming up. So, and then the rest of the traders and the people watching, if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, my chart, and then trade accordingly. Then this system gives you trades like this. For example, last week, Friday, 31st May, this is S&P 500, beautiful long setup, and look what happened, right? And this is that was, and then this is Nikkei, right? Japan's Nikkei was bearish, went up, entry, 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 boom, gone. Uh, Nasdaq, beautiful short entry, gone. Right. Then again, this was an S&P 500. This is gold, beautiful, beautiful short entry, and then all the way to the downside. Pound Aussie, beautiful short entry, and then downside. So this is how the entries comes in with the system, right? So that's how it is. And if you like to have it, my system, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn how to trade, whatever, then you can go on my website here. This is where you can find everything like this. For example, this harmonic pattern produced so much here, right? And they are all over the place. And that harmonic, I have harmonic. You see these courses here on my website. So this is harmonic pattern course. This is Elliott wave course, right? And this is one-on-one coaching. If you want me to teach you personally, it's a big 10-hour course, 1 hour each over the Zoom, and I teach almost everything. By the way, for my subscribers, current subscribers, you can have these courses for a couple of days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for 50% off. Go and get it, take advantage of it. You will learn the information that you'd probably never heard of it. And there are things that I invented myself. They're working very, very fine, very nicely, and you will benefit from this. and also Fibonacci. 3 videos in both of these courses. They have I have 3 or 4 Fibs only Fibonacci. Three videos only on Fibonacci and how to use retracement, expansion, and extension. All three version, because it is very, very essential for anything. Anything you have to do with the forex and measuring these waves and patterns and harmonic patterns and Elliott wave, whatever. You must know exactly how to use it and how to use it properly, correctly, right? So these are very powerful courses. Go and get it. And this is it for now. Just wanted to show you guys that this is what's happening with oil. Be ready. It's gonna bounce. It's gonna go up as long as it stays above where 76, 79, 76, 38. These are the 2 numbers to watch. All right. So if we start to go above it and then I find the entry, I'll definitely take it and I will show my trades in the next video. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. All right. Okay. Stop.